course, congratulations para dito sa bago nating mga product. Bakit po natin binalik itong cheese dunk? At ano yung pasabog po nitong chili con carne dunk?
Okay, so yung return ng cheese dunk natin is a direct response to the overwhelming customer response and social media buzz back in 2023. So, from there, nakita namin na may talagang gusto ibalik gusto namin ibalik yon. So, kaya binalik natin to in 2025. But of course, sabi mo nga, may bagong pasabog. And that's the chili con carne dunk. So, this is a new flavor that addresses the need for something bold and savory.
Parang it really proves, ma'am, na tayo mga Pinoy mahilig talaga sa sausawan, no?
Correct. So, nakita namin ang love ng mga Pinoy sa sausawan. So, ang aming response is to look for more flavors na pwedeng isawsaw ng mga customers natin. So, kaya we always try to find ways to innovate and find new flavors. Kaya this year, meron tayong cheese dunk at chili con carne dunk.
Okay.